In today's video, I'm using my brand new Fusion Engine build, and things got pretty crazy. Let's get right into it.
Alright, yeah, let's just all go down the middle, bro, and just like shotgun out.
Wait, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh? Damn, bro, that gun is long as fuck.
That's gotta hurt, Gene!
Hey, man.
Where are we going? Hey! Where are we going?
Push the button. No way! No way, bro! The one-handed trade is crazy!
Bang, 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 bang.
Nope.
There's no bang bangs on this field, buddy. Oh shit, dude. What's up, bro? About to like whisper something in my ear? You got like a secret for me?
Like and subscribe to the
What you
video.
got?
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Oh shit, that's a fucking secret, bro. Can't technically do that. Yo, what is this squadron, bro? What the fuck is going on? Holy fuck! It's not pull auto, this is.
Auto in the building. Oh man, I got you.
Oh hell no, you did not.
Yeah.
I got a GoPro right here. You want to
Let's check it.
pull it up? Let's go. You want to leave?
Yeah, let's go. I'm almost 100% sure. Hey, you know what? I'm leaving after this one, so let's just go.
You don't even care?
No.
Shit, bro.
Thanks for watching. I had a great time playing with this new build. Make sure to like and subscribe.